So, this is why most people are failing. And if you ever think you've failed at doing anything, you haven't failed. Your thought or your thinking is what is bringing this thing to your head. I believe you should be around the age of 18 to 35, according to the YouTube analytics. And this period of our age, our youthful age, we all engage ourselves in one thing or the other. Like, we all believe, okay, let me just go into this thing and venture into it, and I believe this thing is gonna be making me the future. This thing is gonna be showing or proving to me that actually the future is bright. But at the long run of the journey, we find ourselves being stuck at the middle and we quit, which is what makes us to think we failed, because you quit, because you think quitting is the best option. But I want to convince you that quitting isn't the best option. Like, is it because you see other people getting it right and you think, why are they getting it right and I am not getting it right? It is because it is either because they have been in the game which you are just starting. And this is what I actually want to tell you. Consistency is the key to success. No matter what you're doing, no matter how you're doing it, no matter what you know, no matter what you've learned, consistency is the key to success. The moment you have this groove of starting and never quitting, no matter what it takes, no matter how it's coming, no matter how you want to do it, you believe that the moment you are starting, you will never quit. So whatever you are thinking of doing next, go into it, venture into it with the mindset of, even if this thing requires my eye, I'm gonna be dropping it. But whatever you want to do, whatever, I'm not saying you should actually get yourself into things that are going to be giving you a negative result, or something you're going to be doing and you're going to be like, why did I even do this thing? Because you listen to me. No, I don't want you to do that. But I want you to have this mindset that whatever you're doing, you do it with the perspective of not quitting. That is it. That is the key, and that is the definition of consistency. So I believe you get the message right, and I hope this message gets to the right person. And stop thinking you are a failure, or stop thinking you failed at anything. And subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. You can also share with your friends who think they have failed at anything, or they are failing, or So hopefully I see you soon. Like, love you all. That is it. Get it right and take care of yourself.